So this recipe, again, we're using the convenience of some really good quality tinned seafood. Here I've got some Chilean mussels escabeche, which means they're kind of pickled. So to go with this, I'm going to make a quick little escabeche of vegetables, so pickled vegetable salad. Really, really simple. I've got some onions already sliced to start. I'm going to throw those in there. Okay. I've got some tomatoes. I'll just do a few of these little tomatoes. I'm not even going to cut them in half. They're small, they're little bursts of flavour. So I'm going to chuck those in, maybe a dozen or so. I've got some cucumbers, some radish. And it's just really, you're just using vegetables that you've got laying around or in your salad box. Obviously we've got carrots here, so I'm going to do some baby carrots. And I'll just cut those on an angle and cut them relatively thin. Because what we're making is a pickle, we're going to use a hot pickling liquid, pour it over the vegetables and just let it cool down. And then what happens is the vegetables slightly tenderize, but they've got this wonderful sharpness to them and a little bit of crunch as well. Okay, I've got some fennel here, just a little bit of fennel. I cut the root base out and then we're just going to slice down here nice and fine. Fennel, pickled fennel is one of my favourite vegetables. You've got that lovely anise flavour and then you've still got that lovely sort of crunch in the texture when you pickle it. So chuck it all in there. You can see all the beautiful colours. And then a few little radishes. Again, these are great for colour. A little bit of pepperiness to them. Just slice them in rounds like so. I think that's all my veg. Oh, we've got these beautiful little cucumbers. And those I'll just slice. Happy days. In they go. Mix it all about. Okay, now to make our pickle. In our pickling liquid, we've got water, 1 part of water. So that's 1 cup. Half rice wine vinegar, which means that's half a cup. Okay, in we go. I've got some coriander seeds. In they go. Some garlic, which I'm just going to simply crush a little bit with my knife. In it goes. A little bit with my knife. In it goes. About a teaspoon of salt. And now we boil it. So we can turn the heat off on that pickling liquid, and then what we do is we just pour it straight over our vegetables. Yes, so easy. That's pickling escabeche style. And what'll happen is that'll slightly blanch the vegetables. But just get rid of that garlic. We don't need that in there anymore. Let's have a little taste. Straight away, the flavour of the vegetables has gone in there, the onion, the cucumber, the carrot. So that's super flavoursome. Now, we'll let that cool down and then we'll plate up our escabeche salad. So now we take some of this vegetable that we've pickled, the escabeche, we just place it into a bowl. Okay, I'm just going to hit it with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. So we don't need salt in that because we've pickled it in a salt-based brine. Got a few of my fennel tops that I picked. And now we're going to take this to our bowl and I'll just drain these mussels off. And our mussels, finally our nice tin mussels, all through that. Hello little what do you call them? Pigeon. And finally some more of our beautiful fennel tops over the top. And there we have a beautiful, simple escabeche with Chilean mussels from our Safcol.